Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the best portable hand-washing sink on the market, the SereneLife Portable Camping Sink. If you're looking for convenience, hygiene, and portability, this is the product you've been waiting for. Perfect for outdoor events, camping, work sites, and more, this sink will make sure you have access to fresh water and soap wherever you go. Let's start with the standout feature, its 19-liter water tank. This ample water capacity ensures that you have enough water for multiple uses, whether it's for hand washing, cleaning, or even dishwashing in outdoor environments. It's a must-have for events, camping trips, and work sites where a steady water supply is essential. One of the things I love about this sink is the hands-free foot pump operation. With each step, the pump delivers 180 milliliters of water, allowing you to wash your hands without touching anything. This hands-free feature not only provides convenience but also ensures hygienic, contact-free use, which is especially important for staying safe in public spaces or around food. But that's not all. The SereneLife portable sink also comes with an integrated soap dispenser and a towel holder. The 3-liter soap dispenser ensures you have enough soap for multiple washes, and the stainless steel towel holder is sturdy enough to keep your towels in place, so you're always ready to dry your hands quickly and efficiently. When it comes to portability, this sink shines. It features a compact design and a built-in carry handle, making it easy to transport to any location. Whether you're heading to the campsite or setting up at a work site, you won't have trouble moving this sink around. As for assembly, it couldn't be simpler. It's quick to set up with minimal tools required. The sink also comes with a flexible drainage hose, making water disposal easy and mess-free. This ensures you can focus on enjoying your outdoor activities without worrying about maintenance or cleanup. To top it all off, it's made from high-density engineered polyethylene, which is durable and built to last, even in harsh outdoor conditions. Whether you're using it at a campsite, during a picnic, or at a work site, this sink will stand the test of time. In conclusion, the SereneLife Portable Camping Sink is the ultimate solution for outdoor hygiene. With its large water capacity, hands-free foot pump, integrated soap dispenser, and portable design, it's the perfect addition to any outdoor event. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use sink for your next camping trip or outdoor project, this product is the one to choose. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews of the best products out there. See you in the next video.